morning, country people them for Cameroon, where they break new letters it must enter. And with this also back the population for Cameroon. Send me with the praise strong for Meckham. Say this so me devil he come out. Now why that way I talk to this so when they a break for Cameroon, latest news it must enter. I be don't talk say this so they way with the dash titles and the way with the share titles. Title holder them they go last can't take up place. Chief and fund they not go get chair again for occasion because title holder them they plenty now pass funds. When we be talk some, they not be one for year, but they get for Siam because for Cameroon we be Thomas. We go enter strong number. Strong number, chapter 1, na palava this fire, where it enter some market for inside Yaoundé, na market for some, sote a bond, plenty shop them for that side, sape pompier, it no waste time for land because now that work where they don't sign say it is so they could have lost na fire. But even now for different town, sometimes sape pompier if for come now on time. So business people them for side from some market, some where they don't lost their shop, will detox it so asha for them. God he don't create them, give them foot and hand. If na shop a born, that means say they could still use foot for worker and then use hand for find the money. Inside Yaoundé for place where they ever hot place for chop life. Now for place where they call and say Totango so where white man and Yingondere they come out for bank for take money. The one can they separate the fight where you get for Siam. So take this Ngondere it last 6 back where money it flop for inside. It one go time now population it be intervene. Osa police and gendarme they be there. No ask me the question. Another one, we could go for side for Manfe, for go meet up. What the way it happened for inside Nchang village. Nchang village for side for Manfe. Now confusion because society where they can say Egbe society, when society where they ever make tradition for that side for Manu. Now in this where they go and go for cry die for some that combi. They want go reach for it now. Now where people them for Kembong and people them for Nchang. They decide for a fight instead for dance. They decide say this so drum in Okwala for this countryman ye a die place. Send story for sham morning time. It talk say witty. Send story for sham morning time. It tell we say na only poor moyo it she don't for die place for carry chair when they die it don't finish. Na only poor moyo it she don't for die place. When that it don't finish, it carry chairs. Person where said for we na Manuela, yes, Madame Manuela or Madame Nuela for side for Moyoka and Moyoka na a whole subdivision for side for Southwest. Now for the way sense to it come out. Man picking where is support and because I wear woman day, man picking it get for the day. Then they call them na Share Donatos. Share Donatos it is should have for side for Kribi, but na picking for that side phone call for Kochi Palace. Nangdege at the comeback, we go and see him and then see him all. We could go small. And for say me we go small. In say me use yourself for say way she don't for watch the program. She don't quiet. Those where they follow we for Facebook, me when I try for the share the link. When I copy the link, share them for when I friends them. Share them for inside when I group because thing where we show them, some people that not see them because they there for work. But if you share the link with the person is yourself, if you leave work for 10 minutes and then see wait away. To man, it is sent them for upside. Inside Yaoundé, where the capital for country. Now this palava fire, where a surprise business people them for site for some market. Me will go see them. I'll say chapter for fire for inside Yaoundé. Plenty people and they confused. Say this one now waiting. Now fire this. If these firefighters brigade don't become quick, all market for some if a born. And when some ye history in never finish for people them their head. And we wanna know. Fire come up outside, no man no one talk. People that have been that place, it don't burn, sote, or kako burn inside. Now the capital where they don't lose them. And for Cameroon, it's strong for get work. These people that want to be stay for year, who said they go now? No man no get time. No man in no get time. And those where they don't lose that been a kako, they say they be member for some parties. And when now when the political party they begin to look inside their member their problem. They go look up, they go only look until way campaign go start. I say it not be easy. Any man they run now with their life, but they only talk with to the man and the prophet. If he talk now say, God he won't create you, he give you 2 eye, give you 2 ear, and then give you 1 mouth, because if he give you 2 mouth, we for the talk plenty. He give you 2 hand and 2 foot. So you go use the food again, and then take and the work out for fine side where you go get another money where you go use your hand for take work. They never call hand and they never call foot. So we thank God because no person is not born inside this fire will happen from some market inside the only. We could go now for side where they call and say Totangoso, where now for the way people they go chop longer. Go enjoy. I say na fight. I say na fight this. Who's that one man he come out? They say they saw that in Gong there this. Where all man for quarter no, all man for Totangoso no. What it don't happen now? They say they so they come out for bank where they don't go move money for bank and then for inside account for one man. They want carry for Totangoso after where they say serve they don't hear munyong. After where they don't chop meat. After again where they don't drink molo. Now white man say they so now for evening where I go give you some money where you hold your pocket day. Can't see vex where this gold they vex a cash fetch. If not be population for that side, sometime now we talk so wine man if they na for mortuary. Wine man for them for mortuary. And when na only all wine people in the camp for Cameroon for come follow with sister them when they still be young. And why we sister them too that they accept to for follow white people the way they don't old. We never see young white man for come marry for Cameroon. Now only people that way they don't go retirement for their own country, they come now for this side. Since Cameroon na lele country where you come for here, they give you woman free and then give you house free. You begin a born picking and careless. How when I don't take a Satan for Cameroon, so take give a house, give all thing plus woman in the born where they will pay bride price. Now the consequence is this: one man for inside country. Now that. And the one man to trouble, the one man strong, palava money, even man no strong, him more strong. People that want to be the dream they decide say they so no. If they know how the white man, that means they go bad. Now they back that way they fight on top. Now money there inside though. That woman you found down for, you don't get time. He said no, I'm gonna go with it back. If not be Okada people and whether they be lawyer for all problem for Cameroon, and they be majesty for all problem for Cameroon. That woman for go with that back with all the money where the one man he get up. This one a baby disgrace. Let mommy grace ye picking for side for Kumba. Now disgrace is when they talk say this so not just see get because he get Botox. You just go one time say this so you get for sign inside. Now in this. I say now in that. This camera for LTM could show wonder. This camera not the tire. Camera, you know the tire. Camera for LTM say no, we retire now. Only day we will die. Anything for Cameroon, LTM must show. Anything for Cameroon, LTM must show. So if you not watch LTM, you not go see way to way it happen for Cameroon. Whether na good way the sister they do, man no. Whether na good way papa they do, man no sabia. Now time for calling, way I go here when I on talk. Live and countryman. Palava money and palava love. Love still exists for Cameroon. Yesterday we be show man. We love don't make it ilaski on girlfriend. I ask question. Now in this again, love don't make him. Monica enter inside. So they fight for junction. Now big shame. So for inside Yaoundé when rain a fall, population for that side for Colbison. They live for trouble. Population for side for Colbison they ever be for problem when rain a fall. I dey ask question whether na Yaoundé or na different side. Me we go see am. say no easy. This one never called me son. When red it fall, motor is turn now na canoe. Other motor then they turn a flying boat. Okada people and where their head is strong like coconut, they just also swim inside. Now inside you the way we capital, call me son. I say for call me son. Now in that man way the fear, it no go cross. That's why they don't get money for take Okada. Or when you take Okada, it can't drop you for that side. You walk over corner, and then pass. Cause shot, you know they now for year where they pass. Whether you be who, you must partner with this place. Whether you get hand for head, now here where you go pass. See taxi. Taxi, they don't turn na canoe now. Passenger the inside. As for Cameroon, no man in not fear something. When they say, no, when I go down, me we cross face. No, taxi man, no. Customer say, no, I don't pay you. I don't pay you. So no need. Whether we swim inside water, we go swim. Since away, people them way, they don't take Okada, they pass. We ask some contractor where we take this work. Who say they? They say don't disappear. Disappear how? Any disappear how? Inside capital. When a place where we will get good example. That means say contractor then two for this side, then two they not clean. Any contractor will take over for Cameroon, he not do I'm fine. Normal we will get for follow you. Now because the way we give contract, we don't know the right name for the contractor for that signboard where would I pin them. Why? We never get for the right name for the right number. So that if you don't do the work, population could start the follow you. If we not say self, where would I begin contract? If we not the fear for follow the person, we not talk me to read people that follow the person. If we will follow who now, where we don't know his name. We don't know name for the company. We don't get the number. How you go do for follow this kind of person? We did say that's what Cameroon will go for before with development. But now development is, I did beg the minister will give this work for your contractor, whether na your cousin, whether na brother for your girlfriend. Me try for call you for order. Me call you for order. Yes, because we no want to see this thing again. Next year, we no want to see this place again. So, yes, we not going to put people in for cheer. Say me then make Cameroon go before. Then the instant make them again. Country to go na their back. Now so Cameroon we get for B. Huh? When we go another capital, we see a capital there where this kind of thing you don't see. But for Cameroon, minister, a take work, give for contractor, then divide money, leave the thing, population begin to suffer. Any day na complain. With all the capital where we get and for country, with all the money where we get and here, it not be normal. Yes, it not be normal. So when we show and so now for say the person where we take the contract or person where we give the contract, me it no say they never work the work. Because some be so after you hear say they so they don't sign paper say if you don't finish tar the road. It don't tar them. Now only LTM go make a me when I know road them for Cameroon way contractor, it don't abandon them. Yes. We not be normal. This country now for we all. When we see thing where you know the worker, we talk up. So that means they make a me worker. Not be say we the talk for spoil them, now for fix them. Because we the worker now will broom for sweep country. Me country the clean. Not be so country people. Live and country man. When a village is shidong, it shows you say now you be chief. Now you be fun. That means say now you go to rule them. And for the rule them, you get for take talk now for them, for rule the people then they. Not decide their own. You talk from the population, and then you take some talk from inside, you rule the people then they. Peace could be for that village. But for Cameroon, since we're chiefs and fun, they don't go choke hand for inside oil. They don't want to say me oil touch them. Oil don't touch Guna. Now why that way trouble is the outside. When I know the kind oil where they talk. Since we're fun and chief them, they don't go choke hand for inside politics. Anyway, politics, the politician them. In those days, when I be hear that kind of one, no. When this speaking comes, say be politician, he na fun talk, he na chief talk. When this one come, whether they for different party, he na chief talk, he give advice. The person go, but today, you want to go for some palace. Chief could drive you say, come out, go. I'm not going to receive you. You know they for my party. Where chief or fun not get forget party. from Mutengene for Quarter 1, it not be easy, it be hot. Where population pound their chief because chief, he don't decide for take land them, they sell them. Now in that. I say man whatever middle na chief for Quarter 1 for side for Limbe. Where population for Limbe, they don't decide say they so chief, he don't say all land, where picking them for side for Quarter 1, they go last can they buy plot now for different quarter for take B house. They say it don't happen. Then when they want talk as chief, he get all the papers and then he get the thing where they come and say he green, red, yellow for his palace. That means say he pass the population. He want use power, say he want coach population. Population say we'll pan you hard the part at you. Now so they pan ye, they pan them. Chief USSF in last week. Chief last week. Now so they draw chief, go with him, send me police, he look inside this matter. Send me police look inside matter. But at time the population not for beat chivo. At time the population now say one problem day we go with them for police because police it decide and the police get for solve this kind of problem. And gendarme too. Now them they decide now them they solve this kind of problem. Yes, because if would have been fight with chief after the years the chief don't die, that means the population don't kill chief. All man for that quarter for go for Ngata. So when I don't check sense for go with you for police, so police could bring peace because police ye work now for bring peace for inside country. Now why that way they come and say police? Police is the show that say person where ye skin they like fish where makiro where they fresh. Yes, leave them again, countryman. Now, when I go, she don't quiet. For see the kind of disgrace way my people them for side for Manfred, they don't disgrace me. Title holder them for that side for Kim, now Kimbong. With people them for Nchang, they don't show film yesterday. After one member for Egbe society, he died. They say they saw the one go make cry die. Now confession we want see between the two village, Kembong and Nchang. May we sit down where they become for traditional system for that man compound. Match fire. Man go see all. Now time this one they become for the man where he die compound. And they come with Nyanga. They come with Nyanga say now every society where now the society will get power for inside manual. Yes. When some trouble won't be, then they come out. And then walk on with that society. And then autumn finish. When you look under the shine. And all them get the smooth. Yes. Now so title people then they be get for the clean. Now so chief them be get for the clean. Oh, Nyanga people. But with the Nyanga where they come, after na trouble, they come out with them. Where some people then there for hospital, now where will they talk? I say now from Chang village, for site for Manfe. What it really happened? They say they so early there for inside Manu. Now they don't can separate this society where they can say Egbe. Where they now into two. This side they talk it on, this side talk it on. They don't come for one agreement. Correct! Now Juju that no. Now drum and that they play. And after they go play drum, time where they fight, I ask them. Other side they say they not go dance for year. Some say they talk say no, if I say me will dance because when we meet my dance, he die, they get for dance. Some say no drum not go play skin for year. I ask question. Politics don't come now for can destroy separate people. So we debate all the end them for manu. All the politicians them, me they try to go solve the problem. Nobody talk. Can't see it fight. I say fight with the stick. They carry plan. Chakara my house. Now so they beat people them. So Monday never down where they don't blew your head. Blood the flu. Fight they continue. How when I go lost when I colleague and then they fight na fight. Bye-bye. How when I go money loss when I colleague when I come for play for die place. Can they fight? So they big man in force. Sometimes that man go die. Sometimes that man go die. Sometimes he go die. But with the prayer say me no die. Because if he die, that means all thing will change. Lord Mayor for side for Manfred when I didn't ever bring peace. This thing the pass so Mayor no day for town. Intervention Ashu. Who say you there? City where they pass for your on side now. Same thing when he pass for the outside. When I wake up that man for up, now that don't wake up, block the floor outside. When I hold him, he go fight, he go fall again. Now that don't fall. He go fall, I say hold him. Now that, rig him. When I see him. So when I want kill number 2 person, afterwards on one day way, bury her. Ha. Well, this one now which can disgrace. Yes, now the man, now the member this way die. And they ask him for a cap. When a cameraman for LTM for side for Manfe, this one not in a BB disgrace. And they ask him too for parliamentarian for side for Manfe, this one not in a disgrace this. We they ask all the councillor, say now so it will be first time. This one now something where we the title holder that we get for look inside this matter. Yes. Cameraman one film, some man come with work a stick. Say I go broke camera. I go broke camera. This thing is not correct. At all. And we don't ever accept say correct. See the way where they beat people with work a stick. Only because they don't talk say they get for dance for their colleague he die place. Hey country people. Small time Manfe people then go tell we whether they so this thing is fine or is not fine. Yes. Small time Manfe people then go tell we. This one na society where it be the bring all peace for inside Manfe. Well, I have tradition. Every society. Now drum them that where they will get for nakam. They don't call nana for hand. Where smart they go now go. Some they go hospital. Some they go now with them for hospital. And not go with that drum for there. And you carry drums so you go for there. Smart will hear a different thing. Hasha for the people them. Hasha for una. That thing when I don't do them so it no find me. I no find the population. Those elite, when them they bring confusion for inside Manu, we go publish their name. We get to publish their name. Then they bring confusion, separate people, the man and your brother. Now them this they fight now. It be normal. So I will talk for when I say when flyway is the over longer. It last follow thy body for inside grave. When I wait on a longer. When politicians come, when they fight for go for your house. This man may talk so. This man not there with you. He take one wine, give you. Because you know we don't see wine and you want cocoa. You know if you buy wine. It begin to confuse you now. Now in that. Me man know they call. With the social talk say, man where they call for this number for this time, he heard you know they correct. Sometimes I water we carry them because they know they call this program now. We don't sing and so when I know the year, this people them. Now because for year 12, not be 13. Francois leave him. Yeah, leave him you. Now we go, she don't quiet. She don't so quiet. Yet where they happen for site for Bangang village. Because we sabi give hospital for some place. We know they send doctors. Some side we send doctors, but we know they send medicine. Me we go meet up chief for health center for Bangang village. Countryman, your name na who and where to the pass. Talk me with you.
Names Kentucky Jonas Yango. I am the chief of center of Bangang Integrated Health Centers since 2016. We have so much challenges in the community regard to health. The first challenge we had is lack of drugs. We don't have drugs. We don't have equipment. At times, when we refer the patient, it's difficult to transport the patients out. So, at the long run, probably the situation may be aggravated, may worsen the situations even on the road. For example, when a pregnant woman, there was a woman whom I referred, but finally the woman delivered on the road. Those are some of the challenges that we had in the community. We wish if the government or NGO could put their hand on deck to see that they eradicate or they help us to see how we do our work effectively. And one of the challenges also we had is lack of staffs. You can see a big hospital like this one, there are only 2 of us there, there are only 2 staffs here. We don't even have a cleaner, we don't even have other staffs. So we really lack so much in this community. I got to have. Thank you so much. Now, we had malaria. Malaria is the principal disease here that if I want to give skills or to analyze it, I will be like the first disease that this is already stepping here. Malaria is the principal one. Also gastritis is another one. Then it comes now to typhoid. Typhoid is not so much rampant, but it is also a serious problem with us here. Well, for typhoid, the principal cause is hygiene and sanitation. You know, here they too much like this water for food. In course of preparing it, they may not be doing it in a hygienic way, so that's the most cost of the typhoid. Then for malaria, they are so much negligent about mosquito net. When the government may even make effort to give the community mosquito net, they take laxity sleeping in or under, even though the place is hot actually. But when you want to compare the rate of diseases and the heatness that you are facing, I think it is more better for you to sleep under the mosquito net. I think so. The water situation here is poor. They have running streams. They don't even have pipe-borne water. No, they don't. So it is one of the problems here that we are also facing on this water situation. Nkamtake Jonas Eyango, a big chief of center for inside this Bangang Integrated Hospital.
Liver. Yes, we don't hear. Medicine not there for their clinic. They don't hear. So those where they will send you for that site, not them now, they could try for no say their hospital today, but medicine no day. We're gonna have a site for Tombel where confusion be there for inside Tombel for back police station. At the ask and when person they say petrol and we no say petrol na enemy for fire. Where the fire they do for corner petrol. Me will go see work for fire and petrol. Now in that. This one na magic and na confusion where it wake up the population for Tombel. For sleep. They won't wake up for morning time, those when they don't go for farm. Then they call and say, Limbe say they so Tombel they burn all. People they fly. Those when they be there for my 20. Those when they be there for Ebuji. Those when they will go for Itam. Those when they be there for Nyas or so. Those when they will go for Loom. All man they fly the camp. Since we for Tombel, a whole Tombel, when a whole subdivision, it no get the firefighters brigade. Where the show say they so a brigade for commerce on time for Loom, for camp for that side. Now he where population for site for Tombel, then come out. Those where they get now stone, those where they get now sand, and those where they get now mulunga for carry water for take lossam. Let police station for catch fire all finish. So we return the population for site for Tombel as they there for 1 month. They be there for 1 month for bring peace, and they there for 1 month for lost fire. They be there for 1 month for bring peace for inside Tombel, and they there for 1 month for lost this fire. If not so, Tombel is for burn all. So we the talk Ashafuna and we the thank to person where they can say Nyam Leonard, where na the Joe for site for Tombel, where ye say it come out with the unbucket carry water for go lost the fire, and we the thank the commissioner for that police station for site for Tombel because ye say it come out we boy them for lost the fire. Another fire and the one way come out for that side for Donga Mantum Division, Nkambe Center. Hiya. I say not be easy. They say this will be happen for Monday. And when people that they talk say this over outside for Monday, man no they come out for upside. You feel go now for farm for go work for farm. And then Okada people that since that their head is strong, they say that coconut, they come out now, they go now for carry passenger for Tabike, go for carry passenger for Njap, go for carry passenger for Ngi, so they want to come now for the hill where they can say ban tumbang. Now anyway, he bad for they say boy them where they get gone and where they against Ngom now they come up for inside bush. Now anyway they attack them, catch all the Okada, put them for down, burn all the Okadas, burn them under their capital. For side for Donga Mountain Division, where you get your Okada, where you don't put them for road, that means say you will see all thing. Now, under for LTM, you will see them. Now, in that, I said, now in that, as when I see them, now for inside Kambe. I say now for inside Kambe, where we dey. When I see them, country people. So last they say they so 12 Okada fire don't burn them for ashes. And then again, they go carry again some 2 teachers them for some school for that side for Njap village. Them vamoose with them. What did the teacher don't do? The teacher then too, they be there on top Okada. No man, no one answer. Because for Cameroon, we're strong for answer question. Yes. For Cameroon, we're strong for answer question. What the teacher be do? Oh, teacher them be there for classroom 2 for Monday. But no man, Monday, no man, there where they go for school. No, there where they go for market. Now, question where they ask Sam, who could answer now? They say they so. Some people they talk say no, Monday na day where no man know the worker for that side. Say these people in Tonhead. Now they Tonhead this now. Some people they say no, Monday na day where they get for worker because na normal day le Tuesday. Well, now big loss is this. After we bomb down Hala from Kambe. They still there for investigation. Investigation never finish. Now another one this. Where they go still up again. Another investigation. I ask question. Where? Nkambe we be there for peace. Nkambe don't they come now with peace. Why? So we debate all title would have side from Nkambe. Nkambe Central. We debate all the soft chiefs and the funds. Send me the try for whole meeting. See how they can make tradition. For say, me this thing not happen again from Kambe Center. Yes. And then we debate all business people them. With churches them. Say why they believe prayer where they be prayer for grandstand every day. Me they continue back the prayer so that me devil enter for inside Kambe town. Yes. Business people then go for the pray. Churches then go for pray. And then people where they get bars, of blessing, and the customer where they drink, share, and top. They get for enter prayer. So that me devil not succeed. With the time the commander, brigade commander for side from Kambe, and with the time the colonel waiting for side from Kambe, with the time the commissioner, with the time Joe Central, and with the time the SDO for Donga Mountain Division, Mr. Josh Magua, yes, Basilican, yes, where a day for that side the SDO for Donga Mountain Division, me then try way for Shidong, and then try way for bring peace back for that side for Donga Mountain Division, and we get confident for them. Yes, so we thank you plenty. So for side from Kambe, now Donga Mountain Funds Union where they be celebrate number 1 year where they don't make them. So they be come out for Kambe Palace with all the title holder them from Ngiri. They match. They talk say they so. As they be talk say they so me fund them for inside Donga Mountain Division, me the day 1 man. It don't come me 1 year as they be there 1 person. So now why that way they be talk say they so me the even she done for 1 place. And then invite Dio, invite SDO, invite mayor, invite parliamentarian, invite councillors. Me then can she done together for see how development it will go for side for Donga and Mountain Division. Fund them for that side for Ako, the day member for inside. Fund them for side for Mr. J subdivision, the day for inside the members. Fund them for one subdivision, the day inside the members. Fund them for inside Kambe Center SF, the day inside the members. And then fund them for new subdivision, the day inside the member. All juju them for that side for police from Kambe, they will come out for accompanying the funds them so they go with them for hall. It not be easy. I said this in Gando not be easy. So they fund the workers so now tradition. And some fund them, they not be succeed for B. Some fund them not be succeed for B because where to for them for come out, can't for Kambe, it's not easy for them. And when they talk say so next time, me then try for B because no na population, no na all fund them this for Donga and Mountain Division. When you look like for one, fund them for one, they did more than 42. And then for inside Wimbum land, they did 32. And then for inside Ako, they did like 30 something. And then for Mr. J, they never count them. This road it began for big block with the fund them. So next year, me the fund them all then try for come out, try way for meet up from Kambe. We don't know whether it is so. Then Gando go still there for Kambe, or go there for Miseje, or you go there for site for Ako, or you go there for Ndu, or you go there for site for Mwa. Man, sabi. Now only the president for Dumafo, when na fund for Chop Village, fund Njofo Maurice the second. Now he be head boy for this fund them for that side. Now that for middle. Now in this we worker where ye unclose day white for left for ye. Now fund from Kambe. So Juju where can say Mabu from Kambe. A display and he know ye papa when at the front for side from Kambe. Even that one where she don't go down where they come and say nko. Now Juju where the be has now and then scatter them now. If it now say it don't vex. That one where the worker for ye corner now Juju where it pass the time only for back. When they give you one collar, that means they can as you say me you pay in a 1 kenja for cow for collar not. So they display Juju, then they glad as they meet up all they fund them. Yes, and they fund them too, they be shine. All that fund them, they be shine. See how they clean. Nothing that way I like or some early them where they do fine for that fund them. Buy them clothes where they dress, buy them shoe. Yes, sitting where go past now. When I look at Juju, when I see them, see how we go not spear now. So fund from Kambe go take them because now Juju. Now in that ras. Now in that fund don't catch them. If it be pass, sometimes for interman he is keen. But enough it pass because now tradition from Kambe Palace. So now so they be work as so they go reach for community hall and then they sit down and Dungamen talk how development get for camp. Some where they sabi farmer them, where they say they sabi work farm and they don't know how they could make a meet their crop then they grow. So they be learn them that day because they be bring specialists them. Me they can't learn them. It not be easy at all. Now them that they go down nayo. They not ever hear it. Fund them for that side for Northwest. They know they hear it for worker. That way they don't enter for inside hall. Now mfo boom for that side. Talk say me fund them come good. So now so it be take happen for that side. So it not be easy. Live and contribute. Yes. Now fund that for you. Now they don't talk say that so. Any picking way there for Donga Mantum Division, be for Nwa, be for Ako, be for Miseje, be for Kambe Center, be for Ndu. If you be farmer or you sabi do something, may you try for meet up them because they get way for sponsor you or they get way for help you for their own way. May we sit time where they will talk. One boy don't come and they don't try way for help ye. Me we see them. Yes. They help. So now them that where they sit down for inside. And they can make a meet people that know plenty. But some one and they where they don't mislead them with information. Some fun and they where they mislead with information where they make and say they not come for this occasion. And where they talk say where you there for inside some association, make sure say me you get the good information and forget them now for the executives. Some they get their own thinking different. And some one them they where they know one, then say me then come and where they do not wrong. Who can represent the fund them for inside the Donga Mantum Division, time where they could make election for Northwest Fund. Now question that way they get for us themselves. So now in that those way they say they talk to this so they go so they follow this Doma for say me then do all and all for say me all thing a worker. So then they plenty as when I see them flop. So they should also for arrange all thing where it day for them the problem. All they fund them to the camp when I see them no they be make prayer. They will make prayer because they talk say anything where they happen, they get for make prayer. Yes. So now in that time this way, the president for Doma for winner fund and job for Maurice Ebidigi speech. Time we finish for talk, the SDO for side for Donga Mantum Division 90s, where they call it say Mr. Yes, SDO Mr. Josh Magua Basilican. Now in that way he talk, he be glad plenty for see all the fund them. Say this so since we it take power, he and fund them they be meet up for grandstand after they not meet up again. Say glad how fund them don't come again, can meet up together. Say he glad and he there with them. Now may we hear now thing where it happen after we they don't she don't do women. May we ask them for person when a head boy for the fund them for Donga Mantum Division fund Njofo Maurice the second for Chop Village. What do you get for talk with the EU?
When I look at the attendance, I look at the program. We started with a seminar, an educative seminar, and all what we have had here, including the president of the administration, I think the first anniversary will be success.
On my part, I want to add one more thing. That is inviting all the folks to use our culture, our tradition to fight against terrorism in our respective village. C'est sur cette note, Majesté, que je voudrais magnifier la République en disant long life of our country. Notre pays qui est unique et indivisible sous la conduite de son ministre guide, son excellence, Obia, the fun of the fun. Thank you for your kind attention.
Une expression de la solidarité.
Now time where you get for talk. Now your time this way I don't get for you. But respect the 20 seconds. And respect the laws for this program. The law now say when you want call for this program, off the volume for your TV. First. If you there for inside crowd, you come out for the go be for play way, we not go get the noise. If you not feel respect time, better na say just she don't you quiet, no call because you not fine for disturb some person. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir. Six 650608498. Where till you get for talk and wait till you see him find you, wait till you see him no find you. So talk now. Yes. The man don't call sometime it be this na number man no know. Those way they be the call time where the program be the pass. Now when a time this way we don't give you now. Yes, we take some man again. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Morning, countryman, you're on them now. Who you the call for which part for country?
My name is Avril. I dey call for Din for Nonia.
Okay, for Din for Nonia, Saula. Okay, I hear you. Wait till you talk, me I hear.
I don't know whether the issue for fire there for Cameroon, so now it did happen.
Man,
every
no.
day with the year fire, every day with the year fire. And when man don't go to go get some more money, say one improve yourself. You go and see where fire don't chop them now. Even government too not look and say the people then so the fire the bones will go for side. They just they keep quiet. You want hear this side too, you don't the bomb. You want hear this side, don't the bomb. I don't know whether I say well, government not to say wait to come out or not with it.
Okay, we don't hear, but the fire no na government cause am. Countryman. Yes, that fire no na government it cause am. 650608498. Those where they say petrol, me they know say they say petrol na enemy for fire. Hello? Now that kind of people then this way we will talk. And them that. Hello? Whether they pay them, me they can't disturb the program, man, no. Hello, countryman? Hello? Good morning. We salute all man for that side for Maule. We salute all man for Nguti. We salute those for that side for Ekondo Titi. We salute all man for side for Oko. We salute to the duo for Oko where they watch the program. Hello? When you call, you the waste time, we put you aside. We take different person. We don't get time for loss.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I salute you over the doctor.
How for you now?
Fine, I mean, I come from Long.
Yes, how for loom today?
You know, loom the fine.
Okay, wait till you want for talk.
Yes, I want to talk about that, about that bike, those Amber boys and Bonham. So, you know, fine. They be starting things. Like I said, they want to fight against the government. They don't be starting things. I said they want to fight against the civilians. So the way they want to take it in now, we don't be happy with them. They're very bad boys. But I tell you them. So, there are people, they are sweat. But they don't burn them. So, yes. So, you know, fine. Yes.
Thank you, huh?
Thank you, Papa.
Salute all man where a day for your corner for side for loom say na only for LTM where you see all thing. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir. Your name and the sir where they call come up for corner noise.
My name is Ismail Budwala.
Duwala na for which side now, no countryman?
Village, Budwala village.
Yes. What do you want for talk?
I want to talk about the issue for the by people that will ambush them.
Yes.
That by people that will ambush them, that by people that be complete. Because they know how to ambush them. If I made a statue, they so one by one. See when they don't work up, fight for their own stuff. Latina get out of
We take another person again. Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Good morning.
Good morning, General.
How are you now the first lady where they call the program today? Yeah, you didn't have a which side and your name now?
My name is Solange Bonaberry.
Yes. What you going to tell
I
me?
don't talk about that woman with fight with a white man.
Yes.
And so when I dedicate for Cameroon, can you phone a woman then? Then they supposed to be the that woman. Need the white man correct. Need blend themselves.
Why the woman too? You know one for go work, you want for the follow the chop now. Why man?
And normally the woman too, woman that they for us the hustle. Why the woman not come out for go hustle?
I know. Now sister.
I show woman then. Now you do that woman then.
Hey, hello?
Hello, good morning, Jeramungu.
Good morning. Who they call and the person then have a which side for Cameroon?
The call from Bamenda.
Yes, we hear you
I
now.
want to talk about it back there with the bonus.
Yes.
Look, Mr. Jeramungu, money is security for any country where they are on chef. So talk the cliche when two elephants they find the guy they suffer. When it's on day don't be say for house, the politician will can't deceive we should go out. You know go pick back in a motorcycle. If pretend they own carry for play the war or any security pretend the medical number for till you go out. But when you don't go, you die, you know give you back the motorcycle. So for the sake of your own self-security, what if you don't one day? Save yourself, save your family, save what you desire, and remain up for house. No that politician defeat you. If the river solve their problem, they want to achieve the fungus, they match plenty for village of Campbell. If found the people match to the whole Cameroon, actually the English speaking part of Cameroon. Both of them will stop take one decision. Then we head of them say, no, we the force. We don't like to see me army die. We don't want to see blood for civilian. We want to see blood for this. And then if you know this, can we ask for anything? But well, if you don't forget said in advance, we don't get there and say, brother, and make it say for no for the people that don't stop again for anything against them. That's where they will defeat them. If not, the security of your chef, they are chef. Anything you this, remain for your house, look at your family, do what you just clear. Go actually, how are you call me for my prayer from that? Make a left that's in the chef, that because of no chef who can't see me. To me, everybody be careful for his own chef.
Okay, we don't hear you. We take another person again. Hello, countryman.
Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning.
The person where they call your name and the side where they call, we give you 20 seconds.
I'm Mr. Chitama from Kribi.
Huh?
I'm Mr. Chitama from Kribi.
Oh, my man for Kribi. This man don't come out today again. Hey, man, wait, don't. Anyhow, me and I will talk after the program. So, what to bring you for today house?
Yeah, that is talk about that white man where he and that woman the fight. But here's some people they don't talk say that woman for goals. All time the big now with free woman them. And if that white man becomes so, if woman not be there for certify he forget problem. If that mean they get for who that white man means certify the woman. Normally because the woman that white man if they get problem and the woman don't solve the problem. May the white man to solve the woman the problem forgive you almost forgive you money.
Okay, we don't hear you. Salute all man for side for Kribi. We salute all man where they for that side for famous Swiss, and we salute those where they for Carrefour Mbongo and for Insight Mbongo, and even for that side where they call Amvon Tui. We not forget to those where they for that side for Bumnyabel. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Good morning, oh.
Yeah, good morning. Luis call from Bonaberry.
Yes, Mr. Luis, we hear you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. The thing I decide don't want to be small now that with Joe for coming when don't send him in you so.
Yes.
When we going to go for before that they send administrator for place where if you should only talk for the year to where they talk. They don't gather other chief the village, other people the guys should also the year friends. After Joe don't talk finish talk for they say thank them for thank them for the collaboration where as the camp for Sri Lanka here to where they talk. They don't come over there all years waiting. I know if you talk that one. There is a country we want me for that program now. Half of come they will bring and all my defense no say na very na big juju they bring the show the kids snap picture people them when show for front people they snap picture that one na desecration for culture.
Okay, we don't hear you on. We take another one. Hello? Hello? Okay, if you know the answer, we take another person sometime. It will be a person we can help. Hello, countryman.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, General.
Who did call the person there for side?
Shengaya.
Huh?
Shengaya.
Yes.
Yeah. I just want to talk about that girl decided without one man too.
Yes.
That girl for my own team, that girl look like a shower. That it be that it's well. Because it's not for night. So imagine things will happen. You will maybe.
Okay, we don't hear. Hello? Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning, countryman. Who did call the person then about heaven or then about water?
Yeah, Magua.
Oh, call them for Magua.
Yeah, countryman.
Hi, then, huh?
No, I didn't think you would have found my pay, no fine. I don't know if it's a local piece, so when they don't come to the get for the spring, they do the hour that you'll get for water.
Okay, two way back for Manfair.
Yeah, do it on my pay, no, they're fine.
Okay.
That is below you, my pay, don't make them do, no, they're fine.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to go to the why money and I get friend. You know where that get friend, make them why money, no, they're correct. Because if one man is like, let me take it, go bank, go take money, so that they can make up for people. That's the they can't do, no, they're fine. Then
yes, but I don't see your phone. Yes, I don't see your phone. Where did the worker for side from Cambe?
No, I don't see them. Then the two don't make I know people. Be very happy. My own president, they can't visit me today, but Magua, be very happy.
Yeah, own president, eh?
Yeah, my own president for Juju, one can visit me. That's be very happy.
Okay, president for Juju, eh?
Yeah, they want to visit me for Magua. That's be very happy. So let me with him.
Now we can Juju, man. Hello? Hello?
Hello, MOKO.
Yeah, good morning. Your name and the side of the call. I'll give you 20 seconds.
My name na Watana One.
Huh?
My name na Watana One.
Hey. Now, so some kind of name there again for Cameroon, so.
My name na Watana One. I don't call for him. I said I do.
Yes, with the year.
Yes, I talk about that woman. See where that woman is doing nothing correct because they don't want to make them send that bank to the explode that white man money.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that woman, that white man, but they're fine. After now, they don't see this white man don't go take money. One man can take the money. See where they do and nothing correct.
Thank you, countryman. We salute all man for that side for the Marché Daido, and we salute the youth them for Daido when they watch the program. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Yes, I see about Mr. Joram. I'm calling from you, sir.
Yes.
Yes, I want to talk about that money problem.
Yes.
Yes. That society is a long-term existent culture inside Manuland.
Yes.
So if the Manu people they start today, they fight against their culture, then it's a very bad thing. It's a disgrace to the Manu people. So the earlier the Manu people they rally themselves, they can talk against this palaver, the better, because it's a war international disgrace.
Okay, we don't hear you.
And then secondly, I want to talk about that white man and that black woman.
Yes.
Yes, there's a song the MOKO sang concerning agreement is agreement.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so me that white man, what you don't agree with that woman, we don't accomplish because agreement is agreement. You cannot come today because they don't receive money, you don't take her. Agreement is
Uh-huh. Hello? Good morning. Last caller. Okay. We salute man where they can say Mr. Yes, we salute Mr. Hello?
hello.
Good morning. Your name and the side where they call. I give you a 10-second time. Don't catch me.
Yes, my name is Franklin. I call for Melon.
Yes. What you get for Tewi?
Yes, you are get for Tomara King of Manfred people they don't disgrace their tradition. Yes, and number second, that one will happen from Kame.
Yes.
Maybe talk say tell me elephant they find a grass at the sofa. For me, they see many people they try for avoid some kind of thing for their shape. Man, we don't know the motona, he could take someone for outside. Time na you will feed your picking, feed your family, feed your mommy. Outside someone go come on.
Hello? Morning. Yes, long time we never hear you.
Yes, but on top of one talk about that one about fund that say I want to get a smart advice say if fund the one hold their meeting, we don't hold up a hall, we don't hold up a palace. The same way that we Gio call them, they go for Gio for hall. We don't hold meeting when a country meeting, we can go for one palace today. We don't hold up and that much for them, they will scoop it in them. If you don't go for a palace, they go meet up with the main palace. They hold their meeting when they talk them, they will work effectively. They will walk up a street, they will scoop it in them. That's how I want to go fund them.
Countryman. Hello? Meeting be there for palace. You don't ever see palace now. Meeting for fund them be there for palace. Now they go now for seminar. For seminar now for hall. So that some people them they get for can show where the sabi do am, where the jam capital. Now why that way they will come out from their meeting before they go for site for seminar. You know here now, countryman. Okay. It's fine for you ask some because some people they go only they talk see to that one the way the day against. Hello? Okay. The program not finish. You know for Cameroon is strong for teach man something, eh? Strong for teach person something for Cameroon. Where you talk say no do so they do. Yes. They're not the year 12, they're the year 13. Where you just talk say this so not do this thing. You want shift, it they do not the very thing. Even picking way it go nursery school, it understand past all thing. Countryman. So now we get for Comot. And for Comot, with the back, the manu people and say, Egbe, society, me then try for follow high be the first time. Me not being a palaver fight. Because when I fight so, that means say when I the disgrace, now when I division and when I village and the tradition, it not look good. So we could come out with now, but we salute all man. We know the face. We the salute to Shea Louis. Shea Louis, we ide for Yaoundé year. Shea Louis, it talk say, me any picking for Tabiken with the shit on for inside Yaoundé. Me no say this so. Last Sunday for this month, na day way na the Takuda. Yes, Takuda. It could meet up for Cyber when I know. And can dance group it could day for day, ne could day, Kisha could day, it not go easy. Say they invite any person for last Sunday for this month. It not go easy. So may you begin to prepare how you will go chop, drink your memo because Nanjo no be say you go contribute money. So na Shea Louis, YSF, Shea Ngiri for Tabiken Palace. So we thank Mr. Francois for all the work where they do and for we, and we thank the population too, where they work with we, and we thank all the correspondents where they do all and all for saying we get different story and new story the all side. When you want video something for send for Tore man, may you hold your Android phone now so. Where you video and send them for we, you tell we side where the thing they happen and for which time we don't happen. So that means we don't make mistake and we so continue to thank now. With the great man where they can say Dr. Maji Tanko and those who they did for us now, they watch the program with the salute. Nke Soto where they only prepare how good day for Bonanjo for number 19 day, yes. And then the other people them they say this so Soto could day for us side we know na easy one. And Wimboom community for side for the Walamina we follow all the group them for see the dance group them where they get for be for that occasion. Me son dance you know can we name in order for list for can cause confusion. And side where they put you say me you dance, me your dance group the dance for them, me you the dance for them. No come out, go different side. That one have for create confusion because big people then they minister then they where they go there for that place. So we don't go as we go now they call me General MOKO, the only general for Cameroon where they work our broom for sweep country. We still there alive, we never die and we never die now because family they exist. We don't go bye bye.